Obitous. I guess in the Obitous order now. The Obitous. Please put your hands together for that brave, that stalwart, that heroic figure known as Eechee Obitous. And their opponent, representing the Stargazer Coalition, he is someone who has been, in a way, born again. Someone who is willing to embrace that path of being a Sith as best they can. He is someone with whom is seeking that purpose in life that can only come from fighting Jedi. Please put your hands together for the absolute Zayne-erific Zayne Stargazer! Yes!
What? You tricky Jedi. How dare you? No. Oh, there's that tricky Jedi-ness that I've come to know from the Obitous and the Jedi in
There's a lot of things.
You said wobbling.
Yeah. I have to say, I don't necessarily appreciate the name calling. I thought this was going to be a rather fun fight. Educational. Like I need to lock that right shoulder a bit more.
You are absolutely right.
Or should also learn. Find things. What am I weak at? Because you're not. As you see, you're also very fast. Not saying I'm the most Good. See, something I've noticed. I like to at least help my opponent anytime I can.
You have my respect, young man.
Even if it's helping them to the ground at least.
I feel like I'm learning from you.
Really?
And honestly,
You're giving up the fight by letting me hit you? I guess it's very fair. But my question is...
Tricky, young Jedi. Here you get my blade.
gain greater power
You know what? You have a point.
if you don't learn to take your... Like that. I like your initiative. But I have a question. Why were you backing up whenever I got my saber? Why were you backing up when you disarmed me? My question is, was that disarming not on purpose? Was it not to disarm me? Are you okay? Haven't done that one before.
Bombing you! Don't let him bomb you, Zayne!
You have a point, you know what?
It's like I'm teaching. You know, I want to thank you for the opportunity. I'm looking at reinforcing you achieve. And you've made me learn a lot more in these last few rounds. And you know, I want to say at least we've gained so much. At least we're doing something for the crowd. You
We
know?
are doing something for the crowd. You know what?
They are seeing something much cooler.
This is
So
for our
what
house, our primary, and
Come at me. Fine. Oh, crap.
Not yet, young Obitous. I'm not done with it. I told you this is for them. I am much more dangerous than you will ever realize.
Fine,
You
I'll
know
put it
what?
down.
You're not getting me with that trick
Fine.
again, you know.
Reset!
I have a question. You claim focus.
I do.
Where's your foot?
Ow! Next round, then Obitous, you're mine.
What you said. Sit down.
Come on, I've taunted you already.
Have you really? Oh, that was tricky. I don't really
I told you.
like that.
I told you.
Come at me then.
I'm learning.
You are. And I'm so honestly inspires joy that I can
Those quick little flicks.
teach an opponent how to do things. Although that is scary. Sure. When you hold on, you waited this many rounds to do a trick. I've been going all out on you, kinda.
The Sith warrior never goes home.
Really?
Here you want some of that.
I don't think so. I mean, I'm going to say you have learned a tremendous amount of fighting an opponent, from scoring his opponent, how to even trick an opponent.
You know, Eechee,
What have you learned? One thing you haven't learned is how to tire an opponent.
oh, I'm not tired you have. I know. I've barely begun to fight.
A little bit.
That last one's coming.
Ugh.
That's two head strikes in a row, young Obitous.
It is really good. So my question is, right? I haven't seen you do one little thing.
What would that be?
Chicho! Chicho! Chicho!
Oh. You're using the rock.
He needs a rock. Ugh.
Uh-huh.
You know,
Come
it's
here.
funny.
I
You
come
speak
to
as
you.
Zayne, he hit me in that same place.
It's a fun spot to hit Jedi in, I gotta say.
I guess it is. It is
Oh.
open to me a bit though.
Uh-huh. You have.
Yeah. I mean, maybe open.
Reset!
Quite literally. Running. I think it's fire, sir. I think it's just. It hurts. You know what? Very.
What?
Okay, I lied. I'm very tired. What are you? You're tired. Admit it. Admit that you're tired, please. Or I will just shrink it so you stop trying to break out.
There, you've gotten a lot stronger.
And smaller, quite literally. So,
Yes,
I will
that's
take this
definitely
moment,
new.
a breather. You have gained my respect. You mentioned it earlier. I'll see how this ends, but I think I might call you the same. Come at me and see just how strong you are. Come on, stop. You have gained the respect of a Jedi